Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and most innovative products on the market. Today, we're diving into the best 3D air cushion massager brush. A game-changing hairbrush designed to make detangling a breeze while also providing a relaxing scalp massage. Whether you have thick, curly, long, or thin hair, this brush is designed to suit all hair types, giving you a smooth, pain-free brushing experience. What sets this hairbrush apart from others is its revolutionary 3D air cushion design. This unique feature adapts to the natural contours of your scalp, distributing pressure evenly and reducing stress on both your scalp and hair roots. It feels gentle and soothing, ensuring that you get the most comfortable brushing experience every time. Plus, this design helps prevent breakage, making it ideal for those with sensitive or easily damaged hair. The self-cleaning mechanism is another standout feature of this brush. With just the push of a button, you can easily remove hair from the bristles, keeping your brush clean and hygienic without any extra hassle. This feature not only saves you time, but it also helps extend the life of the brush, ensuring that it stays in top condition for everyday use. The high-quality nylon bristles are tough enough to handle any hair type, whether it's straight or curly, while still being soft enough to avoid damaging your strands. The ergonomic handle gives you a comfortable grip, making it easy to use for long periods without strain. This brush also comes with a convenient holder for neat storage, making it perfect for travel or keeping your bathroom organized. If you're looking for a versatile hairbrush that combines style, functionality, and ease of use, the 3D air cushion massager brush is definitely worth considering. It's built to last with durable materials and is perfect for everyday detangling, whether you're at home or on the go. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews on the latest and greatest products out there.